Okay, so for operations for the Blizzard, basically you just have to unscrew this thumb screw at the back. Included already has the converter. Which is here. So if best if you when you are charging, leave this in. With this converter, because sometimes what happens is you plug it here, you take it out, and you forget about it. You bring this for games, you bring another LiPo that don't have the head, you'll be like, where's the adapter? Yeah, so this happens quite a lot of times. So basically just plug it in, right? So when you plug it in, the LCD will light up. So let me just show you over here. Here's the LCD. Okay, so let me plug out again, plug in. So now it's in safe. Right now it's in safe because of the switch over here. Down here safe, marked by the X. The one over here is a single shot, and the triangle over here is auto. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see here, when we toggle, we go off or safe, semi one, single shot, one dart, full auto. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now we just keep things neat over here, right? So just tuck in the wires. Okay. Okay, so for here, let me just turn this way. Okay, so operations for this is very simple. At safe, you cannot fire. Okay, but at hold on, that one is advanced setting. Okay, so you cannot fire. But when you put to here, then you can fire. You put at full auto. Safe, press one time, it will just fire off once. Okay, now in order to deprime, so for depriming, what you need to know is that after use, you definitely need to deprime, or else the spring is going to go from long to short. And if you forget to leave it, then it will shorten the spring and you lose power. Okay, so to deprime, just press and hold. Yeah, that's all you need to know. Now, there's also another thing. If let's say you have a dart jam, or something happens here that the dart don't come out, right? So then you can do other things like, for example, take a jam rod to stick into here and push the dart out. But you're gonna run into an issue of how are you gonna push the dart out. So with that, what you need to do is put to safe, tap and hold. Then you go to fixing. Then next step is to double tap. Then we'll pull. Okay. Yeah. So from there, take a stick, push the dart out, set to safe, set to semi, fire off. Okay. Yeah. This is the basic operations for this. Now, there are also other options. Okay. To modify, if let's say you want other shooting modes, you have to set to safe again. Just press 2 times, then you go into this. This is 2-shot mode. 3 round bursts. So just now it was 2 round bursts. This one is 3 round bursts. Down here we got double stroke or binary. And the last one we got slow stroke. Okay, so as I go through with you for this, if you want to go back to normal, then you just double tap that again. So at 2-shot mode, once you set to that, set to single. You can see semi, 2 round. Okay. Double tap again. 3 round is 3 round. And this double stroke is the binary. When you squeeze the trigger, it fires. When you let go, it also fires. Okay, this was borrowed from Airsoft, this function. Okay, and then the last one is slow stroke. Okay, so the slow stroke, when you fire, it fires off the dart, but it does not reload the next one.
Okay.
So when you let go, then it reloads. Okay, this is a very nice feature in terms of, you know, kind of tactical play and all that, where you fire the first shot, and people are, you know, like, eh, who shot me? You know, like, where is that sound coming from? But then they cannot find the sound. Once you see that player pass by, then you can let go, load the next one. Yeah. And now we reset back to here. Yeah. And that's about it. Yeah.
Okay.
You should try not to like squeeze the trigger so many times. It might go into advanced function, which is not recommended. Okay. Other things to take note. Okay. So over here, right? Here we have total number of shots. So in the process of building this, 123 shots have been fired off. Okay, doesn't matter whether it's a dart or what, but basically the whole movement of the plunger system. But if you switch to save, single shot, this is the current number of shots that has been taken, 27. Yeah, so this indicator is very good when you want to do maintenance. Yeah, so when this thing tallies up to 1,000, 2,000 shots, then you know that, okay, it's time for me to do some maintenance. Okay, other things to take note is that this long bar over here, this is the battery life. Okay, the short thin bar, this is where, you know, it's time for you to change the short one. But if it's at that line over there, then it's dangerously low. Yeah. This 3 dash indicates 3S lipo. If it's a 4 dash, then it's 4S lipo.
Oh, can use 4S also?
Can, but not recommended.
Okay.
Yeah. Because what's going to happen is that with 4S, okay, sometimes this thing will run into a runaway mode. Okay, whereby in extremes cases, this is what I'm just going to demo to you. Okay, this is an example of a runaway mode. Non-stop firing. Okay, sometimes this happens with 4S because now with 4S lipo, it makes it fire faster and much more sensitive because there's more voltage going in. Alright, so in order for that to happen, okay, so for this to rectify it, you have to pull this back. We have created a notch here. Okay, this is like the bare minimum already, but it should rest somewhere down there lah. Yeah. Okay, so you can see here, yeah, should rest down here. Okay, so if you want to try 4S, well, we don't recommend it. Right, you can still use it. However, do take note that runaway can happen and you need to adjust this one. Yeah, so if you run away, you can pull this. Yeah. So with 4S, if there's runaway firing, then you can loosen this up and push it in this direction. Yeah, and that's about it. So now back to normal. Yeah. Okay, and that's it.